Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So this episode right, this cool amazing product right here in my hand, and basically what this is the toilet wand. So it's a wand that is used to clean your toilet, which is pretty awesome. So the one I got right here is 3-in-1 kit, and I also got the refills here as well. And for this package, it actually comes with these 6 disposable scrubbing pads. So just in case if that wasn't enough for me, I want to get some more. And this refill actually comes with 10 of them, if you can see. So I'm just gonna open up this one to show you guys what the product looks like, and then we're gonna test it out. I'm not gonna open up this one right here because it's basically the same refills that you can see in here. It's just that this one has only 10 of these refills and no wands or the actual caddy itself right here to hold the wand itself. So when we open up, this is basically what it looks like inside. So let's take everything out first. So right here is the little wand, if you guys can see right here. So they have a little ejection button right here, so if you guys push it down, it actually will eject the refill pad right here. You definitely have a very nice grip to it. It's not like a super anti-skid material that they use on here, but it definitely would give you guys a good grip to use it when you guys scrub the actual toilet itself. Next thing we can see in here is the actual caddy itself. So right here is the caddy, and that is basically everything that's in the packaging itself. So this is basically what the caddy looks like right here. So inside that is basically what it looks like inside there. So it looks like we have the little component right here that you need to attach it onto here. And then inside they provide you guys the refills. So that's the one you guys want to stick onto the actual wand itself to scrub it onto your toilet and everything. So this is basically what it looks like, you can see right here. And then for this part, we want to attach it onto here. So let me do that first. So basically how you guys attach it is just to clip it on. You guys can see the clip right there. Alright, so we got it in. So what you guys want to do is just attach this part here like this. And then you guys are all set. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now let's actually go test it out and see how it works first and whether it actually works, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we got everything all open, all set up here. So what I want to do is take out the wand first and then stick it inside here. And just pull one of them out first. Alright, so we got one of them here. So now we can start using it to scrub it. You guys can see all the stains on the actual toilet itself right here. So I just want to start scrubbing like this. And you can see the liquid itself will start dripping out. You guys can see. So you just want to use this to scrub wherever you guys need to. And I have a really bad stain right here that you can't really see in the video right now, but it's a really bad stain. So I'm not sure if this can actually take it out, but this would definitely help clean your toilet, you guys can see. So you just want to use this to scrub throughout the product, top, bottom, in the corners and everything. Alright, so I'm just keep doing this until I fully use the product first, and then we're gonna flush it. Alright, so we finished the product. I tried to scrub off the stain right here. I think a little bit of it went away, but it's really hard for me to get rid of the stain right here because it's been here for a really long time. But at least the product itself does help clean the product. So what you guys can do right now is to dispense the pad like this, or you guys can just flush the actual toilet first and then wash it a little bit before throwing away. So just like this, if you guys flush it. Alright, you guys can just clean it a little bit first. And then once you get rid of all the water or liquid from the actual pad itself, and then you just want to throw it in the trash can like this, and press the little button right here on top and eject it. And then you guys all set. And then once you guys are done with the wand itself, you guys can just rinse it or wipe it down and stick it back in here, just like that. Close the lid, and you guys all set. Alright, welcome back guys. So now I saw a quick test of the product itself. You guys can see that actually does work and works quite well. Super easy to use. I definitely love how strong and effective the actual toilet wand itself is. What's really cool about this product is the fact that on the actual pad, on the reload pad or the refill pad itself, they actually have preloaded Clorox in the actual pad itself. So that way actually it's really easy to kind of clean your toilet with. So that way it can help kill or fight viruses and bacteria that is in your toilet itself. So that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we did unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I definitely have to say that this is worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have just one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for unboxing and testing the product itself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. It definitely helps this video and channel out. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.